Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing 10 healthy facts about turmeric. So let's begin. What is turmeric? Turmeric, a spice that is derived from the curcuma longa plant, is a potent anti-inflammatory antioxidant herb. It is a member of the ginger family and is often used to flavor curry dishes and is very popular in Indian cuisine. The active curcuminoid compound in the turmeric root is called curcumin. This compound has been used for centuries in Indian and Eastern cultures as a medicinal herb to treat and prevent a plethora of diseases. Today, curcumin's science-based healing benefits have been confirmed by many research studies. Turmeric is a rhizome plant, meaning that it grows just below the ground, similar to ginger. When the turmeric plant is about 8 inches tall, the roots are harvested, cleaned, dried, and powdered into what we call turmeric powder. Interestingly, the turmeric plant is also known as the yellow root or the yellow ginger. So let's begin. Number 1. What are the health benefits of turmeric? Now that we know where turmeric comes from, let's look at some of the powerful health benefits associated with this golden-colored spice. The most frequently studied and proven benefit of turmeric and curcumin is its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to more than 60 different diseases, including diabetes, heart disease, arthritis, and certain cancers. By reducing inflammation, curcumin helps to reduce your risk of developing these diseases. Another major benefit of taking turmeric supplements is their antioxidant properties. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, leading to inflammation and disease. Curcumin has been shown to neutralize free radicals, preventing them from causing harm to your cells. Also, one of the most important benefits of consuming turmeric is its ability to help reduce joint pain. Joint pain and stiffness are common symptoms of inflammatory conditions, like rheumatoid arthritis. Studies show that curcumin is effective as anti-inflammatory medications, like ibuprofen for reducing joint pain and inflammation. Number 2. How does turmeric improve brain function? Your brain needs antioxidants to protect it from oxidative stress, which can lead to a decline in brain function and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Studies show that curcumin increases the levels of antioxidant enzymes in the brain and protects the brain from oxidative stress. Not only that, but curcumin also helps improve the function of the hippocampus, an important brain region involved in memory. In fact, studies show that curcumin supplements help improve memory and cognitive function in healthy adults, as well as those with mild cognitive impairment. Number 3. Does turmeric improve heart health? Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, claiming 17.9 million lives each year. Fortunately, studies show that curcumin may help protect against heart disease by improving the function of the endothelium, which is the inner lining of the heart and blood vessels. Endothelial dysfunction is a predictor of heart disease. Therefore, anything that improves endothelial function reduces the risk of heart disease. Number 4. Does turmeric help with diabetes? Several studies suggest that curcumin improves insulin sensitivity, which is beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. A study published in Complementary Therapies in Medicine showed that taking curcumin supplements help lower fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Number 5. Can turmeric fight cancer? Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, accounting for 9.6 million deaths in 2018. Fortunately, studies show that curcumin may play an important role in cancer prevention and treatment. Curcumin has been shown to induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death in cancer cells, while leaving healthy cells unharmed. It also inhibits angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels that supply nutrients to tumors, thereby starving them of essential nutrients. Number 6. How does turmeric improve digestion? Turmeric is often used as a natural remedy for digestive issues like gas, bloating, and indigestion. A randomized, double-blind placebo controlled trial published in the Journal of the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases showed that taking curcumin supplements was effective as conventional medications in treating patients with indigestion. Number 7. What are the side effects of turmeric? Turmeric is generally safe for most people when consumed in small amounts. However, high doses of turmeric may cause mild side effects like nausea, diarrhea, stomach pain, and an increase in liver enzymes. People with gallbladder problems should avoid taking turmeric supplements. Number 8. How should I take turmeric? For maximum health benefits, it is recommended to take turmeric supplements in combination with black pepper. This is because black pepper enhances the bioavailability of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, thereby increasing its effectiveness. Number 9. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that have proven effective in treating multiple skin conditions, according to a 2021 systematic review. This spice can help increase the glow and luster of the skin, speed up wound healing, calm the pores to decrease acne and acne scarring, and control psoriasis flares. It may also help heal pruritus, oral lichen planus, facial redness, as well as types of skin cancers. Number 10. Turmeric and black pepper work synergistically. This means that, in order to reap the majority of curcumin health benefits, turmeric or curcumin supplements should be paired with black pepper for maximum absorption. So that was it for today. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.